What's up ka-J Vlog? Welcome back to another video, and for today's video, we will unbox a cool backpack from Gaston Luga. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the video. As you can see, our video for today is quite different from our previous video because I'm speaking in English, and the reason for that is Gaston Luga, the company behind this backpack, requested me to do an English unboxing video so that some viewers from other countries can understand the unboxing video. So it's quite different and quite weird for me to do an unboxing video in English language. As you can see here, the box is quite big, and this bag is called Bitten. So that is the model of the bag, and the color is black and brown. According to the official website of Gaston Luga, this backpack costs $109, or in Philippine peso, it costs almost 5,300 pesos. So let's start opening it. Okay, it has a pull tab right here at the bottom of the box for easy open. Parang kantuna, no? Here it is, the bag itself from Gaston Luga, and they have a hashtag here, hashtag anywhere with GL. So GL means Gaston Luga. Okay, here's the backpack. It has a pouch. Here is their official website, www.gastonluga.com, and their official Instagram account at Gaston Luga. So if you're interested in buying this cool backpack from Gaston Luga, you can check the link in the description box. And here's the exciting part, because you can get a 15% discount if you purchase this using my code JVlog15. I will put it here in the video. So this is the Bitten from Gaston Luga. I like the fabric. Okay, it's so soft. There's a handle. Let's take a closer look on this cool backpack from Gaston Luga. Okay, there is a pocket right here, and it has a magnetic strap, and I like the quality. Okay, there's a foam. As you can see here, the zipper is quite big, and it is easy to open. Nice. So here is the front pocket. As you can see here, it is quite spacious, so you can put many things in this front pocket. Okay, you can put your coins, ball pen, and many more. It has a leather strap, as you can see here. I like the quality of it, and it is easy to strap in because it is magnetic. Here's the logo of Gaston Luga. Okay, and I think it's Meta. Yes. And Gaston Luga, Stockholm, Sweden. As you can see here, the bottom part of the backpack is leather too. The texture is leather, and it has a stand. So if you put down your backpack, it will protect the bottom part of your bag, which is made of leather. And as you can see here, there's a side pocket for your bottle. Okay, it has a two side pocket. So if you have a soft drinks or mineral water. Okay, so here's the quality of the threading. As you can see here, it has a good quality, and there's also a slip over luggage strap for easy traveling, so you can put the bag over your luggage. It has a pocket right here for the passport. It has a passport pocket. Let's open it. Wow, as you can see here, it has a cool fabric inside. There's a zipper too. Okay, you can put many things in this backpack. You can put your laptop right here. It has a laptop sleeve, and you can fit a 15-inch laptop. You can see here, there's no pocket, but you can fit many things in here, like a laptop too. So you can put two laptops, a smaller one and a big one. And tablet, you can fit a tablet, smartphone, documents, and many more. So my first impressions in this backpack is that I like the texture. It's quite spacious. You can fit many things in here. I like the design. It's very premium looking and it is also stylish. So you can use this backpack anywhere you go. So if you're interested in buying this cool backpack from Gaston Luga, you can check the link in the description box and you can use my voucher code JVlog15 so that you will get 15% discount off.